as you can see, our normal travel weather. It's rainy. Hopefully we'll drive out of it here in a few miles.
Hi guys, Kevin here, and we are at Lake Sherwood Recreation Center, or Recreation Area, I should say, just north of White Sulphur Springs, West Virginia. It's probably 25 miles driving, but it takes about an hour to get here because of the windy mountainous roads. But this is a beautiful location on a man-made lake here in West Virginia, and we are enjoying our stay. We're here for just a couple nights while we're visiting some friends in nearby Virginia, but we came here sight unseen. This is our first time here, and we have driven around today checking out. There's several nice campsites. Some are reservable. It is Labor Day today, so we're right at the end of the season, so things are going to be closing up, such as the shower houses. They will be switching over to just their vault toilets for the winter season. There are several reservable sites here, some not reservable, but you can tell this is an older park, so it was originally designed for tent camping, but there's several spaces to get RVs of all kinds and sizes in, so you can come here and enjoy this nice wooded campground. There's some sun shining through today, but it's a beautiful area. The lake is beautiful. Lots of people out on boats and kayaks today and enjoying the beautiful weather. There's a beach. There have been some folks swimming, folks picnicking today. They do rent kayaks and canoes here at a little rental facility where they sell some firewood and ice. So it's an enclosed area, so once you come through the gate, it all sort of loops around in the campsite, so there's no outlet on the other side. And then the gates are closed in the evening from 9 p.m. to 7 a.m. So you're sort of in here, secure, tucked away. But we had a beautiful night last night. It did rain last night, but still it was quiet. About 10 o'clock during quiet hours, the campers did quiet down. And it's been a beautiful time, beautiful day, beautiful weather, and we're looking forward to spending another night here. Tonight we'll have a campfire, and then tomorrow we'll head back home. So hope you enjoy this short video of our time at Sherwood Lake Recreation Area. Hey gang, I wanted to take a minute and talk about where we ate lunch on our way to Sherwood Lake Recreation Area yesterday. We stopped in White Sulphur Springs at a place called the Big Draft Brewery. It's only been open for about 5 weeks, the waiter told us, so it's really new, but it is excellent. Lisa had the French dip and I had the Lager Cuban and one of their dark beers. The food was excellent. The atmosphere is really great. We ate on the outside deck with some sails over us to block the shade. There were folks down on a graveled area with more sails for shade, and then there's fire pits and seats around, so I'm sure at night it's really cool to be there and enjoying a draft or a glass of wine. It was pretty busy when we were there. It's right on Main Street, downtown White Sulphur Springs, so if you're in the area, stop by and check out the Big Draft Brewery. It is the day after Labor Day, and we had a good visit with our friends last evening. And today we're gonna get packed up and head home. I'm out for a morning walk this morning. It's a brisk morning out here. As you can see, there's fog coming off the lake, or steam, whatever you want to call it, coming off the lake. The crows are going crazy. Lisa's sleeping in, and I'm up early, of course, enjoying my cup of tea and getting a little walk in and looking at the sights, watching the ducks float on the lake. So we'll be heading home today. Thanks for joining us on our adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep following us for more adventures.